Okay, Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is selection of work related assessment, and you people are supposed to carefully read the case study before watching the video lecture. Okay, now let's start today's topic, that is selection of work related assessment. And that is the most common methods of data collection therapists use are observations, interviews, and measurements. And in order to select appropriate work related assessment, one must consider the purpose of assessment and the level of assessment. So when we are doing assessment, we must consider the purpose of assessment and the level of assessment, ensuring consistency between the purpose and level. And then the attributes of assessment, including utility and dependability. Now the purposes of work-related assessment. These are four in number. Number one is to determine the need for intervention. So what intervention we are going to apply, we will decide this after assessment. And number two is to assess an individual's ability to perform the roles, duties, tasks, task elements, and physical demand of work. And we all know what is the physical demands of work. Number three purpose is to determine effort during work tasks. So different tasks required different effort, and we have to assess before applying different intervention. Number four is to measure and document outcomes of work related interventions. Okay, up till now we have discussed four purposes of work related assessment, and now the last paragraphs of today's lecture is in order to evaluate programs and in order to engage in research, the level of assessment is determined by ensuring consistency between workers' level of function being assessed, that is role, activity, task, skill, or body system functions, and then the job level, that includes job position, duties, task elements, and elemental motions. So that's the end of today's short lecture.